Ever wondered why your driveway still looks dirty after pressure washing? You're probably making the rookie mistake of rushing. The secret is slow, methodical movement. When cleaning concrete, move it about 1 foot every 3 seconds. This deliberate pace allows the water jet to penetrate deep into pores and lift embedded dirt completely. If you're zooming across the surface, you're just skimming the top layer. For stubborn stains, make 2 passes, one horizontal, one vertical, creating a crosshatch pattern that leaves nothing behind. Remember, pressure washing isn't about speed, it's about thoroughness. Need some pressure washing? Leave an inquiry at www.lonan.org